My motto is hard work always pays off. In my second year, I became a Super Bowl champion. The mindset here, that wasn't enough. I wanted to do more and keep winning and winning and winning. Any given play, anything can happen on this field.
He's going to let it fly. He was going for Gabriel, and Shead's hurt.
Last game of last season, my ACL went out. My thought process at that point was, all right, let's get this thing fixed. How soon can I get back?
Yeah, got the film on it. Okay, stay tight. Hold it. Fight, 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 fight. Good.
You start off with trying to walk again, and then when you're walking again, you're trying to jog, and everything is baby steps. It's a day-to-day process.
John Schneider and Coach Carroll felt that there was a realm of performance that was untapped. The sports science program tapped into the importance of data-driven decision-making.
Having these technologies and putting it into the rehabbing has been great for me because I have something to gauge and to go off of.
What you're trying to do with the data is to provide them a level of insight into their performance that allows you to make meaningful suggestions. With the Microsoft technologies that we have, the Power BI and the data management platform, we're putting a laser beam on the things that we think are going to make the difference so that when he comes back to the field, he's as sharp as he ever was.
I love challenges. It's why I fell in love with the game of football. To go in and you see those numbers, it's now what do you do with those numbers? You can see the progression, the power of my right leg versus the power of my left leg. You're doing all these little things to better my score.
We've got an external measure from the GPS unit, which allows us to measure really discrete movements that the player makes. The surfaces have been great. We have those wall mounted. We use facial recognition, which means an amazing player experience. Then we've got an internal measure of how they feel.
You're not guessing anymore. You've collected data throughout his entire rehab, and then to be able to have Azure hold on to all that data for us, it's been massive.
Knowing where DeShawn stood prior to his injury and having a really clear picture of what he is able to do each week, we know exactly where we need to try and get him back to.
A setback is nothing but a setup for a major comeback. That's how I feel, and that's how I'm taking this process. When you raise the bar and you surpass it, raise the bar again.